So finding our professional purpose is all about finding where this special sweet spot is in the middle. So I'd encourage you to, if you're watching a recording of this, either pause now or come back to this question at the end of the webinar and write down what all of your interests are. Now, this could be things that you loved doing as a kid as much as you love doing right now. So think back to all the things you really enjoyed doing when you were a child. Think of all of the things that time just disappears and vanishes away when you're doing. And really think outside of the career box right here. Really just think of anything that you enjoy to put your hand to. Think about your personality. Think about, whether you like to work under pressure with other people, on your own, in teams, what kind of environment you like to be in. And then think of your skills and abilities. What kind of competencies and knowledge do you have? What kind of capabilities have you picked up over your lifetime? And the spot in the middle then is where you explore what kind of roles or functions may incorporate all of those. Because when you've found a career or a life role that actually includes all of those, that is when you have found that magical sweet spot.